Hello, my name is Bjørn Ove Finseth. I'm currently living in Antarctica, at Troll Station in Queen Maud Land. I'm originally from Norway, in the middle of Norway, a small place near Trondheim. I'm currently working as a chef here at Troll Station. Here we are 6 persons living during the winter time. This is the end of the winter time now, the spring here. In September. So this is my kitchen where I work every day. I'm responsible for the food during weekdays and some weekends. Today is Saturday, so it's my turn to make the dinner this weekend. A rather small kitchen, but it's alright. We are only 6 persons during winter time, as I said. During summertime, it can be up to 40, 50, 60, 70 persons here, and that it will be crowded. But it's very fun to work here. All our groceries is frozen or dried. We have some fresh vegetables that have been stored here since January. That's okay. It's turning a little bit bad now, but it's alright. Today I'm making some bread. To make bread, I need some plain white flour with salt, yeast, dried yeast, stone ground unsifted whole wheat flour, and some rapeseed oil. And I put all these ingredients in this blender mixer and mix it together. Here is the ingredients in the mixer. I have to put some water in. Finger warm water, and then start the whole process. And it'll go that for about 20-30 minutes till it's very firm and nice dough for the breads. Now the dough has been in the mixer for about 30 minutes and it's ready, and now I'll put it on rest for about 1 hour before I make the breads and let them rise once more to the double size before I bake them in the oven. The dough has now been rising for 1 hour and has double size. See, take out some of the air. I will blend it together again, knead it together, and then cut pieces that is fit for the baking trays. Now I have weighted the dough in pieces and kneaded them round and long, and I'll put it down in the tray now, like this, and then I'll use a sharp knife to cut the bread for make a nice pattern. And then they will rise again to double size, and then I bake it in the oven. Now the bread is baked and is ready for packing in plastic bags and be frozen to later. I'm pretty happy with the result.